timing check. Open the gap half a turn, pull the pin back to 10 degrees back, and 80 pounds, and a golf ball, 3, 2, 1. Oh. 2, 1. Oh. Timing check. Got to unhook the winch. Oops. Alright, let's try this again. 80 pounds golf ball, open the gap, pull the pin back to 10 degrees, and just double check everything again real quick. What I failed to do the last time. Alright, I think we're good. 3, 2, 1. Hook left, but the trajectory was up from the last time. 3, 2, 1. Made a scope and sighting adjustment. Three, two, one. Getting some weird spin on the ball. I've switched to the dart. Tied the sling up out of the way. The front of the dart is really about where the cradle is, or the old cradle was. I'm pretty sure we're gonna get a launch. Got 80 pounds on it. My camera stand. Alright. I think it's gonna be pretty awesome. Three, two, 1. Oh, yeah. Coming down. Right on line. Hit. sling dumped. Perfect. That is awesome. High launch angle. I don't know exactly what it was just yet. Let's see if we can go find it. It's in the grass. I think it's between these first two poles. Looks pretty high. It was beautiful. What was I aiming at? The third pole. There's our first pole. We were at about 390 feet, almost 400 feet. I'm gonna drop down in. Even in short grass, everything is hard to find. I've lost so many balls out here. All right. I didn't see it. I think it was too high to be out at the third pole. I just missed it. All right. Go back. I know it's here. Bam. Yep. Right there. Oh shit, we're close. We're not, we're like 80 feet from the second pole. So that's, we're like what? Like 700, 680 or something? 680. That was awesome. Man, it's hitting hard. It drove that bolt all the way in. I did reinforce it with that tape, the clear packing tape. Good thing is the release pin is intact, so yeah, that didn't pull out. That was sweet. I'm gonna step this off. Pole. We're like 2/3 past. Nine. 200 paces. $219 paces times 2.77. All right. Reloaded the dart. I found it. Beautiful shot. Beautiful shot. High though. It was real high. Probably over 50 degrees. So I pushed the release pin forward to 20 degrees. We were at 10. We aimed the machine, it was just on the other side, just off the line, just like 10 feet off line. So made an adjustment for that. Now the wind is picking up, so might put it in the road. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh. Coming down in the hit. Oops, ran to the wrong place. That is going to be a pile of splinters, I think. It was still a little high. Getting stuff together. Perfect sling dump. Oh, I guess we'll step it off, won't we? No, I'll step it off now. Here we are. Right here. So, 1. $100. That's 200. I think I may have miscounted when that car passed me. 1. $30, $31, $32. Oh, $33. Took a chunk. It's like a half-inch deep. Ooh. Bolt is gone. We'll have to find the bolt. It's around here somewhere. But that's kind of what I designed the dart around, for it to, oh, there it is, to like disintegrate on impact. I mean, if it's a military thing, you don't want them slinging it back at you. So you want something to happen to it to where they can't. You know, the fins break off or something, but these fins, man, I put that clear reinforcing tape on it, and they're good to go, but that shaft is done. But really good data. Very happy. So cool. Yeah, that was farther than the last shot. Nice. All right.